In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix Crunchyroll subscription not working. So what I did firstly is that I closed the Crunchyroll app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now in here I just scroll down and then I clicked on general in here as you can see. And then in here I just scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to load all the apps. Now when it's done, just swipe up, click on search right here, search for Crunchyroll and click on the app. Now you're going to click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App down below here. Then you're going to click on Reinstall App as you can see. And now you're just going to simply wait for the Crunchyroll app to completely update to its latest version. And after that, you're going to go back into the app and try once again. If it's still not working for you, you need to probably contact their support and ask them why your subscription is not active. Then that is probably the only way to actually fix it, is that they actually fix it from their own end. But try this and hopefully you will be able to fix it as well.